If you want to make a video wallpaper or animated wallpaper on iPhone 17, then here's what you can do. Unfortunately, there is no other way of having a video wallpaper other than having a live photo. So if you have like a live photo, then you can use it as a video wallpaper on your iPhone 17. But if you want to use something custom, then most likely you will have to convert a video into the live photo. And I actually tried to use this app over here, Video to Live. In order to find it, you just have to go to the App Store and then we can write the name. There are probably some other similar apps, so you can give them a try as well in case this one doesn't work for you. And keep in mind that unfortunately not every time it does work. In some very obscure and rare situations, sometimes the video cannot be converted, so you just have to keep that in mind. And when transferring or converting actually a video to a live photo, you have to know that only like a second or two can be converted, not the whole video. So once we have the app, let's open it, and over here we can choose video and live photo. Now you will have to grant access to the photo library, of course, so that we can actually choose the video. I have prepared this video over here, so I'm gonna select it and then we can tap on the next in the upper right corner. Sometimes there's a chance that the app will crash over here in this stage, so you will have to reopen it. At least this happened for me when I tried to do that for the first time, but now this is the third time that it actually works, so just in case I have to mention this. Over here we can adjust the range that we want to convert into the live photo. So I'm gonna choose this part over here. We have some other customization options over here available as well, so if you want to, you can go through that. But once you are done with the setup, we can press make in the upper right corner. You want to choose live photo iOS 17 plus. Of course, you will have an ad in the meantime, so you will have to close it. The app is free, however, so we can just skip that. There we go, and we are preparing the video. And after that, we should see the information that it has been created. Okay, so let's press OK over here. Let's press done. And we can actually close this app. We're going to go to settings. Then we're going to choose wallpaper. I'm going to scroll all the way to the new one. Let's choose photos. And you should be able to find your live photo over here. We can tap on the live photo button in order to actually play it. As you can see, it plays a couple of seconds. We can press add in the upper right corner. And then we can set it as a wallpaper pair. Alright, so now let's go to the lock screen, and there we go. As you can see, we have this animated video wallpaper. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.